Hi guys, this is Mesayanti and you are welcome to the Wow Detector. Well, this is Holi, the festival we are all waiting for. अगर ये समय आपने कलर्स के साथ नहीं खेला तो अब कब खेलोगे कलर्स के साथ, right? So the point is not to run away from Holi but to be smart and to take care of your skin and hair. I will tell you what you should do before playing Holi, during playing Holi and after playing Holi. So watch out! So before playing Holi, make sure कि आप कोई salon treatment ना कराए. For example, facial या तो फिर eyebrows या तो फिर threading हो गया upper lips का, क्योंकि आपका skin बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive हो जाएगा. For that matter, even waxing को भी आप avoid करें होली से पहले. The day you are going to play Holi, just make sure to apply coconut oil on your body. Exactly. हम नहीं जानते हैं कि coconut oil जो इतना simple है उसके काफ़ी सारे गुण होते हैं. So you want to find out how coconut oil can actually protect your skin. So all you need to do is apply it all over your body and also on the face, because coconut oil will hydrate your skin और उसके साथ साथ it will act as a nice barrier ताकि अगर कलर आप पे कोई अप्लाई करे वो आपकी स्किन के साथ डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट में ना आ पाए. Moreover, when it comes to the eyebrows or even the sides of the nails or the hairline, make sure to apply Vaseline. Vaseline petroleum jelly will make sure कि colors इन जगहों पे ना चिपक जाए. Also, after you play Holi, just make sure that you use a very mild moisturizer to remove the color. You can use a cleansing milk or you can use also coconut oil again to remove the colors from your skin. And then after that, आप कोई भी mild face wash से अपना face धो ले और body wash apply करके वो colors निकाल ले while you're having bath. After you have bath, make sure to apply a good moisturizer on your skin. Also, during the days after Holi, you can apply curd. Dahi is something which will make sure कि आपका skin का glow वापस लाए जल्दी and it will give instant suppleness to your skin. As far as the hair is concerned, before playing Holi, make sure you apply a good oil to your hair as well. Coconut oil is your best bet क्योंकि castor oil can get really sticky. Also, if you want to protect your hair, क्योंकि आजकल हम सारे लोग colors लगाते रहते हैं बालों में, so you want to make sure that you cover your hair with a nice scarf or something which will look stylish also as a headgear. It's actually a good idea to tie your hair. तो आप एक simple ऐसा braid बना सकते हैं या something like a bun will also work ताकि बहुत सारा color आपके बालों में ना आ पाए. Once you have finished playing Holi, just make sure that you wash your hair with a good shampoo and condition it also. If you want, you can try out a hair spa later. Of course, you need to visit a salon for that because hair spas cannot be done at home really. Also, I would suggest that अगर आप सोच रहे हो आपके बालों में कोई भी दूसरा treatment करना apart from a hair spa, you need to give it a break. For example, अगर आप होली खेलने वाले हो, so make sure that the week prior to that या तो फिर उसके बाद वाला जो वीक है आप कोई कलरिंग ट्रीटमेंट, स्ट्रेटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट या कोई भी कंडीशनिंग ट्रीटमेंट ना करें अपने बालों पे, because your hair might be a little more sensitive than usual. As far as the home remedies for the hair is concerned, you can apply curd to your hair. So I hope this video was of use for y'all. Do try them out and enjoy the Holi, and also make sure कि आपका skin और आपका hair बरकरार रहे and it looks beautiful as always. Here's wishing you a very happy Holi. Keep watching the Wow Detector. आपने अगर bell icon पे click नहीं किया है तो ज़रूर करना because I'm going to make more videos for you. Do subscribe and come back for more. Also, if you like this video, do share it with your friends, write in comments what plans you have for Holi, and I shall catch you next Wednesday.